We've had a really good question just posed to us there about why machines and gateways are considered sort of level here in this hierarchy. Why isn't one above the other, or more a linear hierarchy? And the reason is best answered with the opening line of our analytics management video, which is that we're looking to complete the soft installation components alongside the physical installation. So if you consider a dotted line down the middle here, and of course we'll add in here the analytics platform, our cloud platform. What we're looking to do when we're considering the gateway is assess the link end to end, of course, from the sensor all the way up to analytics. This is what we were referring to before as the soft component of the installation. When we're considering the machines, of course, this is the physical, I'll just write here soft. And when we're going from the sensors and onto the machines in the site, this is of course our physical installation. This is us being able to represent virtually where sensors and machines are placed on site.